Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to weave coconut leaf. Okay, there are two types of weaving. First we'll go a double weaving, then we'll go for a single weaving. So first you have to take your weapon. You have to take this. First you have to cut it. Okay. Then you got to make into two pieces. Made this into two pieces. Okay, so put this like this. Yeah, now first what we have to do is we're just taking five leaves from this side and five leaves from this side and putting a knot. Okay, just knotting this. Okay, now what next is take one leaf from this side and start weaving down, up, down, up, down and up. Okay, now the second leaf, up, down, up. Okay, so now again down, up, down, up and down. Okay, now we are taking same way from this side. We are bringing it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now the next one. So up, down, up, down, up. You can just tighten this. Okay, okay, so it's coming up very well. So now third one, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now from this side, so you got to do alternative, one from this side, one from that side, and weave it alternatively up and down. Okay, so this will strong get into this. Double weaving alone we have to do only in green leaf. Okay, single weaving can be done in both green and your dried leaf. Now we are going to finish this. Okay, so what we are going to do is finish it like this. So this is just locking it so that it doesn't come out. Okay. Now this is ready. You can use it for shading or a little bit of privacy. You'll get a little bit of privacy if you have this. You can use it as a shade here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button. Bye bye.